Brand Motorola. Operating system Android 13.0. RAM memory installed size 8GB. CPU model Snapdragon. CPU speed 2.2 GHz. Memory storage capacity 256 GB. Screen size 6.9 inches. Resolution 2640 by 1080. Refresh rate 165 Hz. Model name Motorola Razr Plus 2023. Hi, I'm Abdul. Hi from Review Side. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, about this item, compatible with T-Mobile 5G and Verizon 5G, ready for 5G on other select networks dependent on availability. Contact your service provider for details. Compatible with all major 4G US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. It also works with prepaid carriers, including Cricket Wireless, Metro by T-Mobile, Simple Mobile, Total Wireless, TracFone, Net10, Mint, TracFone, and H2O. Unrivaled external display. Access everything that matters without opening your phone. On the largest, most advanced external display for a flip phone. Iconic flip design, reimagined. Experience a fully interactive 3.6 external display, then flip open for an ultra-smooth, incredibly vivid 6.9 hold screen. Capture like never before. With Flex View, stand your phone on its own at multiple angles, giving you entirely new ways to interact, capture, and create. Ultra-flexible cameras. Capture more detail in any light or go ultra-wide and fit more in the frame. Get the ultimate selfies with powerful cameras and the external display. Ultra-flexible cameras. Capture more detail in any light, go ultra-wide and fit more in the frame, or see the tiniest details up close with macro vision. Powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus performance. Boost your speed with a powerhouse processor, giving you a 20% increase in AI performance. All-day battery life. Go a full day and night with the 3800 mAh battery. Fuel up fast with Turbo Power 30W charging, or charge wirelessly. Motorola Razr Plus offers Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity in 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz for the best experience. In box. Motorola Razr Plus 2023, USB Type-C cable, guides, SIM tool. Thanks, goodbye.